Welcome to sewing camp. Does anyone know what a bobbin is? I know what a bobbin is. It holds the top thread in place. That's right. The bobbin thread keeps the top thread from falling off. Can I have a volunteer press the sewing pedal, please? Feed dogs help move your fabric behind the machine. This part right here is called the presser foot lever. Move it up and down and it moves the needle up and down. Next, I'll show you how to thread the machine. The top thread spool sits on this little peg, and then it goes through here, step 1. And then, whoa! Ah! I fell in! Help, help! I'm tangled up in the thread! Sewing campers, can you rescue me? Oh no! Oh no! Let's get over there and try and rescue her. Oh yes, let's let her jump over. Ah! It's not that big of a jump. Ah, boing, 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 boing. Oh, what should we do? Let's grab this bobbin and we'll throw it up here. Whoa, whoa! Whoa, hey, you did it! Great job. And then we'll climb the rope here. Yeah, let's climb the rope. Ah, the rope's going to break. Ah! You guys okay? Yeah, we're okay. Alright, well, let's build another way. Let's go up here. We'll make a pyramid. A people pyramid. Yeah. Here we go. Now we're almost at the top. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Let's go. We'll save you.